today we're looking at this, the Hoover Senior Ranger, or Hoover Ranger Senior, however you want to pronounce it. It's the model U4014, and this one was actually a Christmas present from my partner. I was looking for one for ages, and then one came up on one of the groups on Facebook, so I arranged to have it delivered. Now, actually, when I got this, it actually was just a cleaner, but as you can see over there, I have a full toolkit for the cleaner, including the adapter that goes in the back. Lucky enough to find that on Gumtree. It's only £12, and I was like, well, definitely having that. It's got all the small tools. I'll show that in a bit. But yeah, right then, let's bring you in closer and have a look, shall we? So here we are then, the Hoover Ranger. Now obviously it's based on the standard Senior from the 50s, but obviously come the 70s when this model came out, it was starting to age a little bit. So Hoover, rather than designing a complete new vacuum cleaner, because that costs money, they decided to fit the Senior with a massive plastic hood, covering the complete and utter base. They did, however, decide to keep the headlight, which I think is actually really quite nice features. Like there's the whole width of the cleaner, whereas obviously the standard Senior only went the whole width of just the hood. But that's the only really main difference between this and the standard Senior. Because if you flip it over a second, you'll see metal base, just like the standard Senior, with exactly the same metal brush roll there, with the it beats as it cleans as it sweeps action. Here we are then, around the back of the cleaner. The only main controls on the cleaner are the hand release pedal, obviously on this side, and on this side, I have this lever, which as you can probably see, is adjusting the height of the cleaner at the front. Hoover called that the height right control, if I'm not mistaken. And obviously also on this side, down the bottom, is the foot operated on off switch, which I've got a nice distinctive on and off click, which is quite nice. But also around the back is where you stick this in it, the converter for using the tools. What you have to do to obviously insert this is lift the cleaner up, find the hole, slide it in. And there you have it. The cleaner's now set up for using the small tools. So here we are on the underside of the cleaner. Just thought I'll flip it over so you can see a bit of a better angle of how the tool converter goes in. See, all it does is it goes in the back, and it just diverts the airflow from the nozzle, obviously up through the tools. What we do, just put it in. There you go. It's all converted now. Compared to other cleaners, obviously that convert, obviously you have a hose insert. It's actually quite an easy system. Some other ones can be a bit tricky, but all you need to do is just slide it in. Where you go, basically. Now what Hoover did, because obviously from standard this is only a 400 watt machine. Obviously hose tools, as many people know, they can be a bit lackluster. So what Hoover did is fit the cleaner with a 2-speed motor. So normally when this isn't connected, obviously it just runs at 400 watts. But in here, hear that? It's a micro switch. So as soon as the tools are inserted, switch gets clicked in, boosts the power of the motor, give it a bit more suction. I'll show you this. Obviously no screwdrivers needed on this, because being clear from the 50s, there was no like safety issues or health and safety issue with it to like have the base plate screwed down. So if you 2 levers, and comes the base plate. Now here we go, is the main event. Nice big fan in there. Now I'm assuming that the fan is the same diameter as obviously the moulding here. See belt drive, see over the spindle, see down here, see the nice big juicy brush roll with nice big beefy beater bars. Now on this carpet at Mum's house, it does do a really nice job. It's a nice proper like growl as the beater bars are actually beating the carpet into submission, and obviously with the brushes as well. So yeah, I really like this cleaner. It's definitely my favourite one out of my collection. This won't be going anywhere, definitely not. Okay then, should we give it a bit of a push? Right then, it's all plugged in, also it's on the wall. Now I've set the height control to 1 up from the very lowest because this is quite a short pile. I want to get a nice, good, deep rumble on the carpet when it goes round. Right then, here we go. I thought I'd just do a quick demo with the, obviously connecting the tools and having a go around the corners of the carpet with them. Here we go. Doesn't sound very happy with that in it, does it really? In fairness, this is the first time I've used the toolkit on this cleaner since I've had it. Oh well, it's worth a go. So then, that's the Hoover Ranger Senior. Now, if I'm honest, this is a really nice cleaner. It's definitely my favourite. Definitely outlived my lifetime, that's for sure. Such a robust, heavy duty machine, this one. Anyway. That's all we've got time for, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.